Elements, compounds and mixtures. So an element is something that contains one type of atom. All elements are found on the periodic table of elements, and if it's not on the periodic table of elements, it's not an element. What this part here means is if you've got a lump of carbon, carbon would only contain atoms of carbon. If you've got some nitrogen, nitrogen only contains nitrogen atoms. Oxygen only contains oxygen atoms. A compound is two or more elements that are chemically bonded. For example, water. Now it contains hydrogen, that's an element, and it contains oxygen, that's an element. But they are joined together chemically and you can't separate them. So it's difficult to get hydrogen and oxygen out of water. If you had a superpowered microscope and you looked at water, you'd see that water contains two hydrogen atoms, 1, 2, and 1 oxygen. And that's shown in the formula. 2 hydrogen atoms is H2 and 1 oxygen is O. A mixture is two or more elements or compounds which can be easily separated. For example, if you take salt and you take sand and you mix them together and you add water, the sand won't dissolve but the salt will, as shown in this demo here. So you can separate sand from salt because salt is soluble and sand isn't. And because you can separate them, they're a mixture. One of the mixtures that surrounds you all the time is the air. So air is a mixture of nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, a bit of argon, a bit of carbon dioxide, and a bit of water vapour. And you can separate those things into pure nitrogen, pure oxygen, pure argon, pure carbon dioxide, and pure water.